How to use pip with Python 3.x alongside Python 2.x. I installed Python 3.x, besides Python 2.x on Ubuntu, and slowly started to pair modules I use in Python 2.x. So I wonder, what approach should I take to make my life easy by using pip for both Python 2.x and Python 3.x?
The approach you should take is to install pip for Python 3.2. You do this in the following way. Then, you can install things for Python 3.2 with pip 3.2, and install things for Python 2.7 with pip 2.7. The pip command will end up pointing to one of these, but I'm not sure which, so you will have to check.
If you don't want to have to specify the version every time you use pip, install pip and export the path.
What you can also do is to use apt-get. In my experience, this works pretty fluent too, plus you get all the benefits from apt-get.
First, install Python 3 pip using. Then to use Python 3 pip use. For Python 2 pip use.
Yes.